Assalamualaikum and greetings to all who watch this video. In this video, I will show the steps of installing a motorcycle exhaust in the right way. The tools required to do this exhaust installation process are ratchet size 12 and 13. Initially, the exhaust must be adjusted to fit the space and align with the screw holes. Then, the front of the exhaust pipe must be connected to the cylinder head using a size 12 ratchet wrench. After that, the part of the exhaust tube holder must be connected with the hole on the footrest by using a size 13 ratchet wrench. Furthermore, once all the parts have been connected, start the engine and make sure there are no air leaks on the exhaust pipe to ensure the installation is correct. Later, the cover set on the right side of the motorcycle that was removed before the installation session to facilitate the exhaust installation process must be reinstalled. Finally, the removed footrest must be reattached using a size 12 ratchet wrench after everything is done.